So first video we'll do is try to code a simple linear regression from scratch, and I honestly don't know what to be expecting, but we'll give it our best. Right. I'd be very angry. So yeah. Square. So I mean, I think the first thing we'll do is just define whatever is required. It's 5, 7, 12, 16, 40, 120. I don't know if I need to add this in a dictionary or a pandas data frame because I did go through this once. Did not really code anything, but looks like you have to find the mean, which is fine. We can get the x mean by just for looping x, x and mean is equal to, yeah, should be the sum plus equal to I, and then we can just get the mean, which is equal to sum divided by ln of x. I think it's better we put this in a function considering we'll be using this a lot. Keep x value. Just obviously, yeah, it should be a list. So get the mean, we can just make it. So if I need mean for x, I'll just oh yeah. Oh, so similarly we get the mean for y as well. That's accurate with whatever this is. So now what I need is a way to store this. There's obviously a simple way to store this is by just using pandas, but should I use? So if I make a data frame for x and y, I just make a data for x, which is equal to same way if I put it in for y is equal to, I'll just run data here so you can see we have it stored. So that's good enough. So now that we made this, right, we can probably just I think we should call the function once and then store the value, so and instead of calculating it all the time. So like yes, that's what I'm gonna do. So I need x minus xi, what we need. So, no, xi minus the mean. For this in x, um, hmm. I think I need to like save it in a so x mean list equal to for I in x. Yeah, I'll just put it. Okay. Mm-hmm. So we get the mean value. So we need to get the value, actual value, which is going to be I minus the mean value. So after this, we need to store this in a list, right? So we'll put that here dot append and we'll put the values. This should give us a list of all the difference basically, and I probably need to write this in a function. The appending is done to the list. Put this also in a function. We call this mean list. I don't know what it's called honestly. So, and we put as x, and this should give us a list of all the variables that should be inside that. And I need to compute two things here. One is okay, that is done, and I think I need to add that to like I need to add that add, right, add list. So whatever list you give, that should be added to the DA. Data so if I go here, x is equal to 9. Okay, bad. How about I just add that to the list, right? I can just, okay, these two are done. So basically what I'll do is I'll just get create a list basically with function of x x x xi mean is equal to mean list of x. Similarly, I'll just put yi mean list is equal to y and add both of that to our dictionary. that should do the trick. And same goes for yi minus x equal to y. Should update my data into having, yep, we have those values. And does it look the same as the ones that we already have here? 41, 28. That's yeah, minus 7, 0. Yep, accurate. So the next is basically a sum of so the next one is just basically a oh, okay, so it's a product of both these two data frames. Okay, that's easy to do, I guess. We can just no, I don't really need to save those values. I can just compute it now instead of yeah. I in for I in uh, range len of uh, data x, so that should now let me have what do I call it? See, so the sum, no, just put a sum again, initiate it as 0. If I put sum plus equal to data of product of data of make sure this is happening plus, and we should have a value, right? As the that's basically just the uh, so this should just give us the value of whatever for I in range. Okay. Oh. Hmm. Oh, oh yeah. So, and yep, accurate. So, do I need this to be in a function? I don't think so. We're not really calling it anywhere. And uh, and now for the sum sum of the x. So I think we're already doing this somewhere, so we can just save the hassle and get the sum also done. Oh, okay, wait, never mind. We have the values here already. which is just this. We just need to square them. And this is the values that we just need to square these values. For I in data of so this one we can call sum, right? Because the other one we're not really using. Sum plus is equal to sum plus is equal to what? No. And sum here and validated that. We don't need this. Yep. So now we need to calculate the b value. The b value is just oh yeah, it's b is equal to just sum mu divided by sum, then should be yeah, and we have a which is y minus b of the mean of x. Did we save this somewhere? I don't know. I think we did. No, we did not. That's okay. It's okay, it's actually just the mean of x, so it's fine. Minus of x. That easier to read. And let's just print a it supports list y. Okay, mean of y. That should be accurate too. It's accurate. So now if I really do want to make a prediction, I just really need to give my x value and I get my target, right? So that's the whole gist of it. That makes sense. So I just need to have a function that basically gives the value, the predict. Yeah, predict value. We'll take x here and basically you just have to return y dash, that is a plus b. I think I don't think it will work because these are global values, but let's see. I don't know. Find out. That multiplied by x. So this should be a y hat value, right? So there's a lot of naming problems that we might face. So this is say and put this entire section of code inside another function. And that should work. So I think if you run this, shouldn't get any errors. I don't know why that is there. Regression. So let me validate this. So test dot predict. Hmm. Okay, on hindsight, I don't think you can do that. Oh wait, hold up. Just take this back. We don't need pandas. I think it should come. Okay, yeah. So all of this should be under a function called linear reg, and you should be able to take x list and y is also a list, and then you should be able to have a predict, right? So finally we hmm. So we have this value that we don't have to do that. We can just do this. This should be fine, and we return the final value as yes. Looks good. So I have x, y, and I want to predict integer where x is 20. Say when x is 30. I get the value. Oh yeah, test. Okay. How about I just like import scalar, but I mean there should be something that does. Yeah, I need to add these values here again. Yep, pretty much the same. I mean it's exactly the same. That's about it. Um, yeah, yeah. I'll have to figure out how to add this one function to a class, which is not a lot of work, but I think the hard part would be when I try to add multiple dimensions to it. That's probably why it's taking input as like this. You can actually put a comma here and add multiple dimensions here. So I don't know how that is done. So for now, uh, let's just call this a day and move on. Thanks.